like the Summit package because when I joined, it's a credit fixing package, but I actually didn't have any credit when I joined. And then I was told about the authorized user and how I could use that with the Summit package. And I got onto an authorized user and I went from a 0 to a 780 credit score within a month. I think it helps a great deal because it teaches you especially the stuff on credit that you were never taught in high school. So what to do with credit, how to dispute things, how you get bad credit, how you fix your credit. So the educational, especially on like all of our programs, but especially the Summit program, really educates teenagers and people my age about what credit is and how you can use it, how you can use it responsibly, and it doesn't mean you're going to go into a bunch of debt and stuff. So I think it, education-wise, very, very helpful, especially to pretty much everyone, considering no one's taught these things in high school. Credit, everyone needs to be educated with their credit and especially their finances and how to use those and use them responsibly. And we're never taught these things, which is why we offer that education and the showing of how to fix your credit, what to do with it, how to help your business, how to grow your business, all through the help of one company, whereas normally you'd have to go through 5 or 6 to get all of it. Ideally, it would be someone who needs their credit fixed and doesn't know much about their credit. So we teach them how they can fix it themselves, how we can fix it, how they can dispute things themselves, how we can do that as well. All the ins and outs on what to do with their credit.